In this lesson, you will learn all types of English modal verbs with simple and practical examples. Modal verbs help you express ability, permission, possibility, obligation, advice, and requests. Let's learn them step by step in a clear and easy way. First, ability. We use modal verbs to show what someone can do, such as can, could, and be able to. Here are 5 examples for each. Can. I can swim. She can drive. They can help us. He can solve it. We can do it. Examples for could. I could run fast. She could sing. They could help. He could lift it. We could win. And examples for be able to. I am able to swim. She is able to help. They are able to win. He was able to come. We will be able to do it. Now, let's move to the next one, permission. We use modal verbs to ask or give permission, such as can, may, and could. Here are some examples. Can. Can I come in? Can we start? Can I borrow it? Can you wait? Can they join us? Examples for may. May I enter? May we begin? May I ask you? May I speak? May they join? And examples for could. Could I use this? Could you help me? Could I sit here? Could you wait? Could we try again? Next, possibility. We use modal verbs to talk about things that may happen, such as may, might, and could. Let's look at the examples. May. It may rain today. She may come later. They may win. He may call you. It may be true. Might. It might rain today. She might come later.
They might win. He might call you. It might be true.
Could. It could rain today. She could come later. They could win. He could call you.
It could be true. Now, obligation and necessity. We use these modal verbs when something is important or required, such as must, have to, and need to. Here are the examples. Must. You must study. She must finish it. They must obey rules. He must go now. We must try again. Have to. I have to work. She has to leave. They have to study. He has to finish it. We have to try. Need to. I need to study. She needs to rest. They need to work. He needs to finish. We need to try. Next, advice and suggestion. We use these to give recommendations, such as should, ought to, and had better. Let's see the examples. Should. You should study. She should rest. They should try. He should eat well. We should leave early. Ought to. You ought to study. She ought to rest. They ought to try. He ought to help. We ought to leave. Had better. You had better go. She had better rest. They had better hurry. He had better study. We had better leave. Finally, requests and offers. We use these modal verbs to speak politely, such as will, would, can, could, and shall. Here are the examples. Will. Will you help me? Will you come? Will you wait? Will you call me? Will you join us? Would. Would you help me? Would you come? Would you wait? Would you call me? Would you join us? Can. Can you help me? Can you come? Can you wait? Can you call me? Can you join us? Could. Could you help me? Could you come? Could you wait? Could you call me? Could you join us? Shall. Shall I help you? Shall we start? Shall I call him? Shall we go? Shall we try again? So these are all the main types of English modal verbs with simple examples. Try to practice these sentences daily and use them in your real conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Academy of English Excellence. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next lesson.